Go.
Okay, so now we will look into the equipment list. Let's look into the last page in your manuals. You should have, firstly is your group name, date and time. Okay, you should write your data there. Secondly, what we will show here is the equipment that we will use. You don't need to take the data now, but please refer to the file that I have prepared for you in the e-learnings, and will be the data for the today's experiments. Okay, so if you look at the last page, as I mentioned before, you can write your group, date and time. Next is the ambient temperature and ambient pressure. So for ambient temperature and ambient pressure, we have this clock. Okay, this is the temperature for now 29, and also the pressure 1011. Okay. Next is the fan RPM. So fan RPM, we will look on this portion. This is the controller of this wind tunnel. Okay, so this is the RPM. If we turn this, so if we turn this knob, so the number will increase. Okay, so it will turn the motor. Okay, so this RPM motor will run. During its running, we will take the value of the data of the water in the manometer. Next is the airfoil. So this airfoil is connected in this open loop wind tunnel. So this is an open loop wind tunnel. So this airfoil is 4412 NACA series. It has a wingspan of 30 centimeter and a chord length of 10 centimeter. Okay, about angle of attack, if you look in the list, this airfoil can change. We can change the angle of attack. So over here we have protector, so we can move the angle of attack of the airfoils. Okay, such as if we want to have it 0, so we set 0. If we want to have 6, then we move it 6. Or even if we want to make it 18, so we move 18 and clock, right? Or even negative. Okay, so for now I'll put it in its minimal position, 0. Okay, so this airfoil is connected to the tubes that is going through this multi-tube manometer. Okay, this multi-tube manometer is numbered from 0 to 25. Okay, from here up until there. Okay, this is 0 and 25. So this is 1 until 24. Later we will run and see the different height of the water. And another one is digital manometer over here. So this digital manometer is connected with 2 tubes, into a pitot tube inside there. This pitot tube will have 2 hole position. One is in front and one is at the side. Okay, so when airflow going through this wind tunnel, so at that time we need to check what's the pressure here, so that we can calculate the airspeed. Okay, so now it is 0. Okay, so another one is if we zoom out, we have this open loop wind tunnel. So the air will go through from my side, my right side, go through this the motor is around here and going up over there. So this is a open loop in tunnel that we can use to do experiment on small scale models. Okay, so after this we will run the wind tunnel and we will see the different height of the manometers. Okay.